We need to show when the game has been won. We will create a helper function to calculate which player is the winner. At the end of the file, let's create this function. It will take the squares array as its argument. This function will return either x or O if there is a winner, or null if there is no winner. A player wins if they have a line of x's or o's. These winning lines can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. We will put our winning combinations in an array called lines. First, let's list the horizontal winning combinations within arrays of indices. Now, the vertical winning combinations. Finally, the diagonal combinations. We will loop over the lines array to see if our squares array contains any of these winning combinations. We will use destructuring assignment syntax on the line to unpack the three indices within it. We will first check if the value at the first index A is not null, and if the value at index A is the same as the value at index B. And if the value at index A is also the same as the value at index C. Then we have a winner. We can return the value of squares at the index A to show that either x or O is the winner. Otherwise, there is no winner, and we return null. Now, call the calculateWinner function in the board component to check if a player has won. Update the status depending on whether there is a winner or not. If there is a winner, that is, if the winner is not null, then show the winner in the status. Otherwise, show the next player to move, as before. Save the file. Let's test it in the browser. Click on index 0 first. The game correctly shows that the next player is O. Click for player O on index 1. Click for player X on index 4 in the center. Click for player O on index 2. Finally, click for player X on index 8, bottom right square. The game correctly shows the winner is player X.